funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sweatshirt, back another day with another unboxing. And today I got a package from Supreme. That doesn't happen too often anymore. And every time I do a Supreme unboxing, I do a size guide, a size reference. And I have been buying Supreme clothing for many years now. I mean, I could almost say 15, but that's a bit stretch, I think, but 12 plus anyway. And now I got my hands on the white box logo, and I got a tote bag as well, but I will do a separate video about that. And there are a couple of reasons why I don't buy as much Supreme clothing anymore. And one of the reasons is, of course, the hype. These are more or less impossible to get your hands on. Wait a minute, didn't I get a sticker or free gift or anything? You that have seen my earlier videos know that nothing that I complain about my packages coming already open because UPS are stealing my free gifts and stickers. Same thing here. No stickers, no free gift, whatever the free gift this season is. That's so irritating. Anyway, these are very hard to get. I got a couple of them, only in white for some reason. I would like to have a gray one and a blue one, but I really like the red box logo on the white. And another reason why I don't buy as much Supreme anymore is because their sizing has been way off and being worse and worse for every year. And I've been complaining about their sizing for at least the last 5 years, I think. So what I did now, this is autumn, winter, or fall, winter 2021. So I decided to find me a 10-year-old red box logo. And this one is exactly 10 years old because I bought this December 2011. And why I know this is, why I use this one is the 2011 one, is because I got a small stain in the back that I have no memory at all about how I got it. And you can't wear a white anything with a stain on. So I have used this very little. But I also feel that this I have one that is just a little bit older, but I've worn that one quite a lot. So it isn't even white anymore. The stitching has come off, and yeah. But this one is almost as good as new. I think I've worn it like twice. It's 10 years old, and the older Supreme clothing, the box logos, hoodies, fits me very well. I am 6'2", I think it is, 186 centimeters, I think that is 6'2", and I weigh 94 plus kilos, so a little bit heavy than I am comfortable with. This is, I think this is an L, I have to check, but with all other clothing I am an XL. Sometimes, because I like the larger fitment, I go with double XL. Large, I wouldn't say that I bought anything except from Supreme in size large. And if you check my latest video where I try on a large sweatshirt, that sweatshirt is like double XL in all the wrong measures, totally wrong. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what the old hoodie looks like, size large, and what the new hoodie looks like, size large. And I'm pretty sure that they're going to fit me completely different. Supreme clothing are big in size. They have always been big in size, but they are getting worse and worse. They are like getting big in the underarms and very weird. But when they do collabs, like with Lacoste, Nike, whatever, they usually use the sizing of the collab brand. So get that right. You say no. Supreme own clothing is one size. Supreme collabs is another size. So let's get to it. Let me start off with showing you the old hoodie. As said, this is size large, a 10-year-old hoodie that have used been laying in my closet. Exactly 10 years. Is also from December 2011. This is December 2021. I think I remember it to fit me better. I remember it being a little bit longer in the arms, but the other ones that I have, I think like 2008, 9, 13, I think, they fit me great, and this one does as well. So this is, as I said, I'm just saying it the same thing over and over again. 10 years old, but almost never used. I think I used it twice. So this is more or less dead stock. Fits me very well, I think. Fits me like an XL, but it is large. Good in the arms, good in the fitment, good in the waist, whatever length. Everything is really good with this hoodie. Like it a lot. But this is the old sizing. Let's see what the new one looks like. What's new with this one, I don't think I've seen that before, is that on the hoodie it says the year. So it says on the hoodie, on top of the hoodie, 2021. I'm pretty sure that I haven't seen that before. And right away, before even putting it on, it feels larger. And right away putting it on, it feels larger. The length of the arms is the same. I would like to have it just a little bit longer in the arms, but we have this excess that I don't have on the other one. They release these hoodies every winter, maybe more, but at least once a year, maybe every season, I don't know. Anyway, every year they drop these red box logos, and they look the same. It's just the sizing that is off. So this one is a lot larger in every way. I think it still looks good. Yeah, but the old sizing is better. I'm gonna lay them on the floor and see what they look like laying on top of each other. But once again, this is a large. I'm 186 centimeters. I think that is 6'2" feet, and I weigh, let's say, 95 kilos. Little bit on the round side, but yeah, the old one looks a lot better on. And this have a stain. That's not nice. That is not okay. But yeah, you saw the stain on a brand new white hoodie, and it was in plastic and everything. That is not okay, but there is no use complaining to Supreme, because they don't care at all. I've done that before. They don't care at all. That sucks. That really sucks. Because as I said, I've used this twice, because and that's on the back side. You can't wear anything white with a stain on, not even on the back side. And have this on the front. That was a bummer. So this is way larger in the wrong places. The length of the arms is the same. The length of the sweatshirt, hoodie is the same, but is this why do you do this? Are all the Supreme wearers today extremely fat, or what is it? So the old sizing is much better, but let me put them on the floor and see. And here we have it, just as expected. The old one, you can see, is very straight in the lines. The new one is much rounder. And the old one is on top, and the new one is underneath. So all this extra, that is what I've been complaining about during these years. And all this extra on the sides, and it's just as much on the other side. Why? So, and you see they are laying on top of each other, and the old one is more or less unused. I've used it twice. So yeah, finally we have a proof of the difference. The new one is much rounder in shape. The older one has much more straight lines. And I really do prefer the older one. So here we have the size difference, and it's quite a big difference. So that's it for this video. What sizing do you prefer? The newer, more round, fatter sizing, or the old, more fitted sizing? I really do prefer the old, more fitting sizing. The new, rounder, fatter sizing, that's one of the reasons why I don't buy Supreme clothing anymore. And no free gift, no stickers at all, and a stain on a brand new white hoodie that is quite expensive. Not good.